Hi, this is Ori with Artscope's Try This at Home video, and today we'll be making a rain gauge using recyclable material. So here I have a partially cut top of a quart milk jug and I have the bottom here. So this can be used for the top half. You'll be putting at the bottom of this, but you can use any recyclable bottle. 2 liters are what I would normally use, but this is what I had. So for starters, you would cut off the top like I had already done, and not cutting off too much of the top. I would say, like, with a 2-liter bottle, you cut off mid-range of the top so it could still fit in here to collect the rain. Next, you would gather your rocks from around the neighborhood, unless you already had some in hand. Round rocks are good for this. I found some rocks in the back of the house, so that's what I'm using. And then next, you'll be taking your top off, because in order to catch the rain, you need it to go through. So it'll go through like so. And then you're going to need your ruler to have measurements of the water on the side of your bottle or jar. And then you're going to need a permanent marker to keep it on there while it's raining. You can also paint these. When I've done this project previously, I've painted the rocks with acrylic paint, and I would highly advise you spray them with finisher, and the bottle with finisher if you end up painting your bottle or jugs as well. And then we're going to measure on the side. I have a huge ruler, but you're going to measure on the side of your jar, marking it by inch or by ½ inch or both, however you'd like to do it. So mark it up like so. I think I'm going to do about 4½ inches here, because that's, well, maybe 5. We'll do 5. So after you've marked yours, you'll see those, and you can number them. And I think that'll help you figure out how much, or gauge how much you've caught of rainwater. Not all places can collect rainwater, but I believe it's legal here. So it's just a fun project to do, to catch the rainwater. You can do this for your plants or do this for other things. I would advise for plant growing. Otherwise, then you can just put it outside. I might decorate mine a little bit more. Let's see what I have here. I might just put little dots or something on mine, or little drops of rain. So I know what it is. And there you have it. Your rain gauge, made out of recyclable materials, rocks, ruler, and a permanent marker. And if you want paint, thanks for joining us. Hope you can join us again soon.